maybe it might be new to others about the Battle of Adowa, which took place in 1896 in Ethiopia, where the Italians wanted to colonize the Ethiopians. Remember that we are the Ethiopians. Everyone comes from Ethiopia. The history and the research says Ethiopia is the cradle of all humanity. The first human bones which they were found in Ethiopia. So Ethiopia is our home, all of us. Whether you're white, whether you're black, whether you're pink, whether you're white, we are from the Ethiopia. The ancient names, it used to be called Abyssinia. It is very rich in a lot of things. Ethiopian people are people of victory. We are victorious people. We believe in victory. Let's take the story of the Battle of Adowa 1896, where the Ethiopians defeated the Italians. What made them to defeat the Italians? It was unity. So I come to my message of unity. So this organization calls for unity in Africa. This organization says let us unite and address all the disaster risks which are living in our communities, because of the risks are always there in our communities. If I explain a bit our establishment, we started 2020 during the COVID-19 when it started, the lockdown.